家好，歡迎嚟到跟英國人學英文，我係 Debbie。咁今日咧，我哋就嚟到 B1 英文測試嘅第3關。咁你哋準備好未呢？準備好，我哋開始啦。好，咁我哋睇第一條題目先。Susan eats meat, but now she does. A. Didn't used to. B. Used to. C. Doesn't. 好，大家覺得答案係咩呢？答案就係 A. Didn't used to 啦。咁我哋睇翻個問題啦，就係話 Susan 食肉，但係而家咧佢食啦。咁所以我哋有嗰個相反嘅意思，我哋前面咧一定係要講佢係唔食肉，但係而家食啦。咁我哋形容一個過去嘅習慣咧，我哋咧就會係用 used to 嘅，係啦。係 B 嗰個啦，但我哋而家要相反翻呢樣嘢，所以咧我哋要用 didn't used to， 所以正確答案咧就係 A didn't used to 啦，嚟強調翻 Susan 咧以前咧係唔食肉嘅，但係而家佢食啦咁樣嘅。好，第二條啦，咁一個對話嚟嘅。This is a nice bathroom. Yes, it's the one we have just redecorated. A. When, B, who, C, which。 好，大家覺得答案又係咩呢？答案就係 which 啦，咁樣。咁咧呢條問題就係講，哇呢一個係好好嘅浴室喎，咁樣。咁對方就答佢啦，係啊，呢一個咧就係我哋做咗重新裝修嘅咁樣。咁 is the one which， 咁 which 呢個字咧，其實咧就係形容緊 the one， 就係話嗰一個我哋重新裝修嘅嘢啦。咁所以我哋就用 which， 因為係一個事物嚟嘅，係一個死物嚟嘅。咁我哋就唔會用 when 或者 who 咯，因為我哋係形容一個物件，我哋會用 which 嘅。第三條又係一個對話嚟嘅。Did you know that John is getting married? Yes. He doodled me yesterday. A. Told. B. Said. C. Spoke. 你哋覺得答案又係乜嘢呢？答案就係 A. Told 啦。咁我哋睇翻條問題啦。Did you know that John is getting married? 你知唔知道 John 咧嚟緊會結婚啊？咁樣，咁對方就答佢啦，係啊。佢嘟我琴日喎咁樣，咁其實個意思就話佢琴日話咗俾我知喎咁樣。咁你睇翻咧，其實 A、B、C 三個選擇咧，其實都係好接近嘅個意思，都係似係講咗啊、告訴啊嗰啲意思嚟嘅。咁但係點解我哋要揀 told 咧？就係因為咧。told 咧就係可以直接將個名詞擠喺後面，可以直接話 he told me， 已經係代表告訴我嘅意思啦。但係相反咧，如果 B said 或者 C spoke 咧，我哋要加個 to 字喺後面咧，喺 grammar 上文法上咧先係正確嘅。所以咧，佢可以話 he said to me yesterday， 或者可以話 he spoke to me yesterday。但係因為呢兩個答案咧都冇 to 喺度，所以我哋正確嘅答案咧就係 told 啦，因為佢係唔需要加個 to 喺後面嘅。好，第四條啦。Judy typed since she went to college. A. Can't. B. Has been able to. C. Can. 大家覺得答案係咩呢？好，答案咧就係 B has been able to 啦。咁我哋睇翻個問題啦，就係話 Judy 打字由佢入咗college 入咗書院之後啦，咁樣。咁呢件事咧其實係形容一個過去發生嘅事，但係又要講到現在嘅情況嘅。咁淨係得 B 咧呢一個叫做 present perfect tense 咧係可以形容到嘅，就係想強調翻咧。其實自從 Judy 入咗去學院之後，佢識打字， 而識打字呢件事咧，其實係聯繫到而家，所以咧我哋就要去用翻呢個 present perfect tense 嚟去講一個過去發生嘅事，但係而家都係有關係嘅，所以我哋就要用呢個 present perfect tense has been able to 佢識得打字咁嘅意思啦。好，第5條。On Thursday, I do for 50 minutes. A. am running. B. have run. C. have been running. 好啦，大家又會覺得答案係乜嘢咧？咁樣答案就係 have been running 啦。咁我哋睇翻條問題咧，就話我好頸渴啊，我跑咗50分鐘步啊，咁樣。咁咧，我哋就會用 C 呢個答案。C 咧就係一個 present perfect continuous tense，就係現在完成進行式。哇，聽到好似好複雜咁。咁其實就係講緊咧一個過去一段時間你做嘅活動，然之後咧就聯繫到而家嘅。咁因為呢一個句子裏邊 for 50 minutes 50分鐘，佢係好想強調過去呢個動作佢進行咗一段比較長嘅時間，咁所以咧，我哋就會用呢一個 tense have been running 啦，嚟去講我由過去到現在總共咧跑咗成50分鐘嘅咁樣，咁所以就會用 C 比較恰當嘅。咁我哋睇翻咧，其實 B 咧就會係一個現在完成式咧，就係 present perfect tense 啦。咁但係因為係呢個句子，我哋要強調。呢個活動係喺過去到而家係進行咗好耐，要50分鐘咁耐，所以咧我哋就會係比較想用 C 嘅答案咧，會多過 B 啦。因為 B 嘅答案咧就會表示已經完成嘅意思會多啲咯，咁樣。咁好啦，話咁快又做晒5條題目啦。咁我見到咧，好似啲問題咧就越嚟越難嘅。不過唔緊要，大家已經好叻啦，已經去到第3關。咁我哋下一次咧再睇第4關啦。拜拜。